Judah, you're in the snow. Judah, Judah, you're in the snow for the first time. Yeah? Yep, this is the first time he's been in the snow. Siren, leave him alone. Judah, hey, let's go this way. Good boy. Come on, Judah. Judah, come on. Janae, don't do that. Jujubee. Judah. Whoops. Come on. Come on. Oops. Janae, I don't know. You need to ask your dad. Come on, let's walk.
Come on, look, it's snow. It's snow. Snow?
Actually, I don't want you getting those colors. Not while Judah's out here. Come on, Jujubee, let's go this way. Come on, Judah. Come on, let's go. Good boy. You don't know what this white stuff is. Judah. Come on, let's go this way.
Come on, Judah. Grab some snow. Come on, Judah. Judah, you go shopping for snow over here.
Judah. Hey, let's go this way.
Yeah, good boy. I'm shopping for snow.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on. Come on, Judah. Oh my God, you guys really, you got to do that right in front of the camera? Sorry, get down. Walk. Are you walking? 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 Come on, let's go this way. Hey, you guys! Leave him alone! Uh-oh. Do you need help, Bubba? Nope. You got it? Good boy. Are you eating some snow? Is it in your mouth? Does that taste good?
Yep. Shopping for snow.
Judah, does that taste good? Mmm, good. Mmm, good. Just don't eat the yellow snow. Ooh. Ooh. It's hard work walking in that. Especially when the dogs keep knocking you over. Logie Boogie. Come here, Boogie Woogie. Logie Boogie. Where you going, Judah? Judah, come this way. Bye-bye.
I could use some help shopping for snow. Judah. 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 Okay. Look, Mom. There, our friends and their friends make snowballs when it snows. All right, Logia. Look, it stinks.
Logan needs a bath.
Yeah. His hair grows really, really fast.
Mm-hmm.
Look, his hair is already growing. Come on, Judah, I need some help.
Whoops. Come here, Judah. Let's go this way.
I'm gonna plant this. Maybe dig it up tomorrow.
Whoa.
Hope the dogs don't find it. There.
Judah.
Easier to make.
Judah.
Mom, you wanna help?
Denali, get off of me.
Do you wanna help me with my new snowman, Judah?
Off.
Come on, Judah. Judah, look. Judah.
Janae, this is the first time he's ever been in snow. So let him explore. He's eating it. You're not supposed to eat it. You're not supposed to eat it. Yucky. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye.